Do you want to design a killer one-page website for your business that really converts with Elementor and Astra theme combination? Let's see what I prepared for you. We have a nice hero section, the background image as this subtle parallax mouse track effect applied. At your right, it's showcasing a pop-up open canvas menu. When the user clicks on the hamburger icon, it opens up this unique menu showcasing your future projects in a carousel layout so they can browse through your work. Scrolling down, you will find information about the website, some projects already done, your links to different projects. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Let's begin without any further ado. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. Creating a one-page website for a photographer can be a great way to showcase their work and attract more potential clients. For this tutorial video, you will need an Elementor Pro license, mainly because of the pop-up feature, and the theme I'm using is the free Astra theme. To begin, my first step is to creating the header template. The header is the first thing visitors will see, so make sure it's an eye-catching and includes the photographer's name or logo. You can also have a navigation menu to make it easy for visitors to navigate the site. To create an Elementor header navigation template, head over to Templates, Add New. We need to select the type of template, so select header and give it a meaningful name for you. Click Create. You can choose a blank template or select one of the Elementor's pre-designed header templates library to use as a starting point. I want to start from scratch, so close, and let's start to create a new section to my template. So click on the plus icon and choose the section. I'm going to use this one, so select it. I'm using Elementor's containers as this makes the website even more responsive, and the container settings is set to horizontal. Justified content is to the center, so the navigation menu items will stay perfectly aligned. Add a new widget to your section by clicking on the plus icon. I want to upload my logo. I don't want to use the site logo widget, so I'm gonna use the image. Then you choose the image you want to use. Select from the media library. I want to use this one. Perfect. You could assign here the link, this link field, and then you type your homepage or your website's name. So to the center, I want to use the navigation menu. So select the WordPress menu, drag and drop to the Elementor canvas. The menu you want to use, you select it from this drop down. I want to use my navigation menu, which is the main one. The layout is horizontal, center aligned, the pointer, no pointer, and let's put the black color so we can read it through. Yeah, there it is. To the right column, I want to use another image to drag and drop. This time I want to use an hamburger icon, this one. Alignment to the right. Once you are satisfied with your template, click Publish to save it and make it available for use on your website. Add condition, entire website, save and close. That's it. Now you have a fully functional navigation menu on your Elementor page. Elementor Popup is a feature of Elementor Page Builder for WordPress that allows you to create custom pop-ups on your website. With Elementor Popup, you can design and customize your pop-ups using the same drag-and-drop interface that you use to create your website pages. Elementor Popup can be used to display opt-in forms, announcements, special offers, and other types of content to your website visitors. Once you have created your pop-up, you can trigger it to appear based on user behavior, such as when a user clicks a button or scrolls to a certain point of the page. You can create a great variety of pop-ups you can imagine. Full screen, modal, the one I'm gonna make with you, a sliding type, a top and bottom bar. This is a awesome way to collect leads, to grow your email, or to showcase your work as we are doing there in this demo site. Let's start now making the modal type. So head over to your WordPress dashboard, select the Templates tab, and then Pop-up. Add New, enter the name, and edit with Elementor. Let's start designing. We are taking to Elementor canvas. Drag and drop a box container. The direction is vertical. Align items to center. You can determine your background color. So to do this, head over to the Style tab. Under the background type, I assign mine to be black. The next step is to add the items. So click on the plus icon to add a new widget. I want to insert an heading widget. So drag and drop to Elementor canvas. Let's put another one. This time is a text editor widget to describe what is this content about. The next item is the social icon. So search for social icon. This one in black color. You can assign here your social media profile. I'm not going to do this. And now search for gallery, a single one. Then we select the files you want to showcase. Add to the gallery. Insert. You can reduce the number of columns. I just want 2. Cool, pretty cool. Let's create engaging and unique motion effects. Elementor has these great features, and when done properly, you can achieve subtle, great effects. It's an easy one, don't worry. So select the gallery widget, move over to the Advanced tab, Motion Effects, Mouse Effects, activate the mouse effects, not to scrolling, mouse effects, enable the 3D tilts, the direction is direct, but let's put 1, just like that. Really, really nice. So this design feature adds depth and dimensionality to your website elements. It works by creating a subtle 3D rotation or twiddling effect on an image or other visual element, which gives you a more dynamic and interactive appearance. Okay, the design is over, so publish. There is no need to establish any kind of condition. Publish, so that the next step is to make the connection link between the pop-up and the hamburger icon. So open up the previous navigation menu template, go to Templates, Save Templates. Under the Publish, we will find it. This one to me is Header Navigation, Edit with Elementor. Click on this image widget. Under the link, choose the option Custom URL. Then you have access to Elementor Dynamic Tags, which is a very powerful feature. Under the Dynamic Tags, scroll down. Under the Actions, choose Pop-up. Then click on the wrench and type in your pop-up and update. I have an Elementor affiliate link for you. It's in the description box down below. Whenever you click on it, it will take you to this page. If you decide to buy through the link, it is really helpful to my YouTube channel, since it will help me to continue creating these free tutorials for you. Then all you gotta do is to select the proper plan. You got 4 plans. The basic plan is good for people who are just starting out. Let's try out the basic. plan. It will take you to the customer dashboard. You just need to enter the information about how do you gonna pay. It won't cost you any extra money. You only pay the money, that money amount. I may receive a small commission, and that's it. Then from your customer dashboard, all you need to do is to press the download button, and then you upload to your WordPress dashboard by going to the plugins, head new, click on upload plugin, and then you choose your file from your computer, and then all you need to do is to install. You will get at the end of the process a confirmation message saying you have activated license. With Elementor, you can control the layout and the design of the single post template on any theme. The portfolio section is the most important part of a website, as it showcases the photographer's work. You create a gallery of their best photographs and organize them by category or project. Make sure the images are high quality and optimized for web viewing. You need to understand that essentially posts are your projects. Let's get ahead and create a new one so you can watch the entire process. So create a new graphic design 05. On the right sidebar, you will find a section called Feature Image. And this is relevant to you, and you should include an image because it represents the tone of your post project. Let's choose this one, and it is displayed at the top of the post. So I insert an expressive image, and next you go ahead and insert all the content you want here in this content area. You could add your content here and then publish twice, or alternatively you can click on Edit with Elementor. Another key important point is the categories and tags. You should always include a category or a tag. Now within Elementor you had your specific elements. So to recap, you have two choices to make your blog post by using Elementor Page Builder or the default Gutenberg Builder. One relevant thing to have in mind: always use categories and tags to help you organize your projects better. And for the filtering options we have within the portfolio widget. To hide the post title, just activate Elementor Hide Title. So head over to Settings and then click on Hide Title. Next you have the container, justify content set to center, align items to the center. The minimum high 100 VH. You want to assign a background color. For me, I'm gonna insert a background image. So to do that, move over to the Style tab. The background type is an image. This one, background overlay. Then you duplicate. Then we had another heading, and then we had quickly a text editor widget to describe and to say a few words about the freelancer photographer. And let's add a button. Locate the mouse effects section to make an even more engaging atmosphere. So activate the mouse effects, mouse track, direction is direct with the speed value of 1 value, just like that. Very, very nice. And that's it. We get this high-catching mouse track effect. Okay, the next move now is to create the About section. So click on the plus icon. I'm gonna use this structure to equal columns. I want to give it a padding. So unlink the padding values, 100 pixels. For the left column, I want the profile picture. Select the image, this one. And for the right column, I had an adding to align the H2 to the center. All you have to do is to select the Align Items option and click Center, just like that. So I've added some services with these engaging over effects, and now I want to create the portfolio section. Elementor's portfolio widget is a powerful tool for displaying your work in a visual, appealing and organized way. Some of its major features include customizable layout, filter options, lightbox integration. So first things, let's create a new container, vertical search for portfolio. This one, drag and drop to the Elementor canvas. As you are viewing, it displays all the feature images in this real and engaging grid layout. When a user hovers over on top of it, gets the post title. It's really nice. I like it a lot. Now what you could do is to adjust the style of the colors and things like that. To assign the different post categories, you would use the filter bar within the portfolio widget. So select the filter tab, activate it. You can organize your content by categories, tags, or format. So when a user clicks the specific category displayed in the filter bar, it will display all the blog posts based on that specific category. Let me demonstrate you. So graphic design, photography, you get the point. You can also determine your source. This is located in the query. You choose here what's the source, post pages, landing pages, manual selection, current query, and related. You can customize the filter bar, so by color, typography, the font weight, the space between, the spacing, and you can also change here and customize the colors. Now let's add a button, this one. And then we want to showcase our testimonials. Create a new section, horizontal, a testimonial carousel. You could choose between the bubble and the default to create this real, engaging testimonials carousel. The last but not least section is the call to action. So this is a real important section of your web page. It's a defined area of your site that prompts customers to get in touch with you by providing a clear call to action within your footer. Now let's check for mobile devices. To change into the mobile view, all you need to do is to click on the bottom bar icon to get the responsive controls. Let's check now. It's looking pretty good. One or two tweaks could be adjusted. For example, you decrease the font sizes and the padding values. Apart from it, I really like it. So take control of your WordPress portfolio website by using the one-page layout. If you want to learn more about this topic, I recommend you watch this next tutorial to control your WordPress website skills. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.